Turbo Time was by far the most popular game. And Turbo,
Turbo-tastic!
well, he loved the attention.
Turbo-tastic! Bring that beat back!
Now let's take a look at magnet coils. What makes a magnet coil work, or any coil for that matter, is it sends power through the coil windings to turn it into an electromagnet. With magnet coils, they have what's called a thermal protector. So it has an amperage rating and a thermal rating to this thermistor. And this is what's wrapped in the windings of the tape around the magnet coil. To test this, set your multimeter to resistance. In this case, I'm setting it at 200 ohms, so this is going to measure any resistance that's 200 or less. And you can take the leads of your pins and touch it, and this one is reading bad because it's giving me that the thermal protector is open. If I take a good one, you can see I do the same test and I get about 5 ohms. So it doesn't mean that you can't fix this. You just need to change out the thermistor so it'll work again. From here you need to unwrap the tape. Now you exposed the thermal protector. From here, the easiest thing to do is just cut off the leads. Put the bad one off to the side. I'll have the rating of the new thermal protector listed in the notes, but sometimes they come with leads that are just too long, that you don't really need it that long. So you can cut these to whatever length you want them to be, and then you can strip the ends. I always like to add a little fresh solder to the tips of the wire before I try to solder it. And do this on both sides. Now you can solder them together. Now you can take your pins on resistance and measure this again. There we go. Magnet will work again at a reading of 5 ohms. Now you just need to wrap this up nice. And there we go. The magnet coil is ready to be used again.